Welcome back to my channel. Today introducing HMS Queen Elizabeth. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the largest and most advanced warship ever built for the Royal Navy. A floating city, a military fortress, and a symbol of Britain's naval power. Designed to operate globally, this carrier is capable of launching cutting-edge fighter jets, carrying out complex military missions, and projecting British power across the world's oceans. This video explores the history, design, specifications, combat capabilities, and real-life operations of HMS Queen Elizabeth in detail. The journey of HMS Queen Elizabeth began in the early 2000s when the UK recognized the need for a modern fleet of aircraft carriers. The previous generation of aircraft carriers, including the Invincible class, had limitations in size, airpower, and endurance. In response, the UK government initiated the Queen Elizabeth class carrier program to develop a new fleet of supercarriers that would secure Britain's maritime interests for the next 50 years. In 2007, the British Ministry of Defence awarded contracts for the construction of two carriers, HMS Queen Elizabeth and her sister ship, HMS Prince of Wales. The total cost of the program exceeded £6.2 billion, making it one of the most expensive defense projects in British history. Unlike conventional aircraft carriers, HMS Queen Elizabeth was designed with a modular construction process, meaning different sections of the ship were built at different shipyards across the UK and later assembled at Rosyth Dockyard in Scotland. Construction officially began in 2009, with major shipyards such as BAE Systems and Babcock Marine working together to build different sections of the carrier. The ship was built in massive prefabricated blocks that were later joined together using heavy lift cranes. The final assembly took place at Rosyth Dockyard, and by 2014, the massive hull was fully assembled. The ship was officially launched on July 4, 2014, in a grand ceremony attended by Queen Elizabeth II herself. After extensive sea trials, the Royal Navy formally commissioned HMS Queen Elizabeth into service on December 7, 2017. HMS Queen Elizabeth is a supercarrier, meaning it is one of the largest types of aircraft carriers in the world. The ship measures 280 meters, 920 feet, in length, has a beam width of 73 meters, and stands over 56 meters tall from keel to mast. The carrier displaces around 65,000 tons, making it the largest warship ever built for the Royal Navy. The deck is equivalent to 3 football fields, providing enough space to launch and recover aircraft efficiently. Unlike American Nimitz-class carriers that use nuclear propulsion, HMS Queen Elizabeth is powered by a hybrid propulsion system. The ship has 2 Rolls-Royce Marine Trent MT-30 gas turbines, combined with 4 Wärtsilä diesel generators. Together, these engines generate over 110 megawatts of power, allowing the carrier to reach speeds of over 25 knots, 46 kilometers per hour. This propulsion system gives the ship a range of over 10,000 nautical miles, meaning it can operate globally without refueling for extended periods. The true strength of HMS Queen Elizabeth lies in its ability to launch and recover a variety of aircraft, making it a powerful naval asset. The carrier is specifically designed to operate the F-35B Lightning II, a 5th-generation stealth fighter jet. The F-35B is unique because it has vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, allowing it to operate from the carrier's short runway without the need for catapults or arrestor wires. The carrier can carry up to 40 aircraft, including a mix of F-35B fighters, Merlin helicopters for anti-submarine warfare, Chinook heavy-lift helicopters, and Wildcat multi-role helicopters. The flight deck is equipped with a 12.5-degree ski jump ramp, which helps the F-35B jets take off with greater efficiency. The ship also has an advanced aircraft hangar below deck, which can store additional aircraft and perform maintenance operations. The carrier uses a modern, twin-island design, a unique feature compared to traditional aircraft carriers. The forward island houses the bridge, where the ship's navigation and command operations take place, while the rear island is dedicated to air traffic control. This design allows for better separation of functions and improves the overall efficiency of flight operations. Although HMS Queen Elizabeth is an aircraft carrier and not a frontline warship, it is still equipped with a variety of defensive systems to protect against threats. The carrier is fitted with the base system's Artisan 3D radar, a powerful surveillance system capable of detecting and tracking over 1,000 targets simultaneously at a range of more than 200 kilometers. To protect against incoming threats such as missiles, drones, and fast attack boats, the ship is armed with 3 Phalanx Close-in Weapon Systems (CIWS). These rapid-firing Gatling guns can fire up to 4,500 rounds per minute and are designed to intercept incoming missiles before they can reach the ship. Additionally, the carrier has several 30mm automatic cannons and mini-guns for defense against small boats and close-range threats. For cyber defense, the carrier is equipped with some of the most advanced cybersecurity systems in the world, ensuring that its operations remain protected from electronic warfare and cyber attacks. The entire ship is also designed with advanced automation, reducing the number of crew required to operate the ship compared to older aircraft carriers. HMS Queen Elizabeth operates with a crew of around 700 personnel, which increases to 1,600 when the full air wing is on board. Since its commissioning, HMS Queen Elizabeth has been at the forefront of British naval operations. In 2021, the carrier embarked on its first major operational deployment, known as Carrier Strike Group 21 (CSG-21). This was a historic deployment covering over 26,000 nautical miles across the Mediterranean, the Indian Ocean, and the Pacific. During this deployment, the carrier worked alongside NATO allies, the U.S. Navy, the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force, the Royal Australian Navy, and other military partners. The deployment included multiple joint exercises, diplomatic visits, and strategic operations in regions such as the South China Sea, where tensions over maritime security remain high. HMS Queen Elizabeth has also played a key role in supporting humanitarian missions, disaster relief efforts, and joint military operations. With its state-of-the-art facilities, the carrier can serve as a command center for coalition forces, making it a critical asset in both wartime and peacetime missions. HMS Queen Elizabeth is just the first of 2 supercarriers in the Royal Navy's fleet. Its sister ship, HMS Prince of Wales, was commissioned in 2019 and is expected to work alongside Queen Elizabeth in future missions. The Royal Navy has plans to expand and enhance the Carrier Strike Group with more advanced aircraft, including future drone-based fighters and next-generation naval technology. As global tensions continue to rise, HMS Queen Elizabeth will play a vital role in securing British maritime interests and maintaining stability in key regions around the world. With its cutting-edge technology, powerful air wing, and ability to operate globally, this carrier is set to remain one of the most formidable warships for decades to come. What do you think about HMS Queen Elizabeth? Does it rank among the best aircraft carriers in the world? Let us know in the comments below. This was Sir Boats Yacht, bringing you the latest insights into military technology and naval power. See you in the next video.